GCSE chemists, once we are confident with elements and compounds, which hopefully you've been following me, so you've watched my breakdowns, my explanations. If not, then go back and watch those videos. Now it's time to talk about mixtures. Now, by definition, a mixture is where we have two or more elements and or compounds that are not chemically combined together. So let's look at a few different examples just diagrammatically so you can start to picture what that means. So if we start with our first box, we can see we've got two different types of substance here, right, that are not chemically bonded together. We've got these black ones, right, and then we've got these empty ones. Now, each one is made up of just one type of atom, right? So this is an element. I'm going to call it element number one, but also this being just one type of atom is also an element number two. Now, element one and element two are not joined together, right? They're existing in the same space, but they're not chemically combined, meaning that this is a mixture. More specifically, this is a mixture of elements, element one and element two. Are you still with me? I hope so, because we've got to step it up a notch. Next one over here, we have clearly again here got two different substances that are not chemically bonded together. But what types of substances do we have? Well, each one, the red and the blue, that's made up of two different elements, right? Two different types of atoms. So this is a compound. I'll call that compound one. And then the green and the black, also two different types of atom, two different elements chemically bonded together. So this is also a compound. So I'll call that compound two. Now, compound one and compound two, they're existing within the same space, but they are not joined together chemically, meaning that this, I don't know what pen I want, meaning that this is still also a mixture. More specifically, this is a mixture of compounds, compound one and compound two. Now, if we look at our third example, feel free to pause the video, think about it, and then come back. We've got four different substances here. Can we characterize each of these substances? So we've got this one here. These are both the same. So this must be an element. We've got this one here. We've got two different types of atoms bonded together. So this is a compound. Here, again, two different types of atoms shown by the different colors. So this is a compound, and here, two of the same. So this is an element. Now, once again, we've got some elements and we've got some compounds all existing in the same space, but not attached, not chemically bonded together, which means that this is, once again, a mixture. What is it a mixture of? It's a mixture